Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to do something really cool for those of you who love customizing every single inch of your Android device. We are going to upgrade a system app that you probably use all the time, but rarely think about, the package installer. If you are running a rooted device with Android 12 all the way up to the latest Android 16 betas, I'm going to show you how to swap out that boring default installer for a sleek, modern interface using a simple Magisk module. Now, before we get started, let's take a quick look at what we're doing with. You've seen this screen 1,000 times. It's functional, sure, but let's be honest, it's looking a little outdated these days. It doesn't quite match the beautiful Material You aesthetics of newer Android versions. It's just there. But luckily, since we have root access, we don't have to settle for default. So let's fix that. First, head to the download link in the description. You will see different zip files available. It is crucial that you download the specific version that matches your Android OS, whether you're on Android 12, 13, 14, or even 16. Once you have the zip file, open up your Magisk Manager. Go to the Modules tab, tap Install from Storage, and select the file you just downloaded. It's going to flash the new package installer systemlessly over your old one. It only takes a few seconds. Once the flashing process is done, you'll see the option to reboot. Go ahead and hit that button. We need to restart the device so the system can load the new APK overlay. While it's rebooting, just a reminder, if you ever want to revert back to the original look, all you have to do is disable or remove this module in Magisk and restart again. It's completely safe. Alright, we are back up and running. Now for the moment of truth. Let's open up the File Manager and try to install an APK file. Boom! Look at that difference. The new UI is much cleaner. You've got better spacing, modern rounded corners, and it just feels so much more integrated with the modern Android design language. It usually gives you clearer info on permissions and updates too. It's a small change, but it makes side-loading apps feel premium. And that is literally it, a 2-minute install for a permanent visual upgrade. If you ran into any issues or have questions about the specific version for your phone, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button if this worked for you, and subscribe for more root mods and Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.